Hey guys, what's been happening? Hope you're all well. Wanted to pop in, say g'day, what's happening, all that sort of stuff. Where the hell have I been? You've heard me say before. We're still alive, we're all healthy. I'm here, I'm good, Brutus is great. Fast and Curious is still alive. So I just wanted to clock in and I wanted to say hi. I wanted to talk about, just with you guys, what's been happening, where I've been for the last few months. Where I've not been is actually what the heading should be. As you guys know, I've got a business. Last few months, the business has definitely required a hell of a lot of attention from me. And as you know, we've got to put focus on what pays our bills, and that's what pays my bills. So obviously that's where I've been needed, 6 days a week, really, pretty much full on. So it's been pretty crazy. So yeah, unfortunately with Fast and Curious and videos and motor vlogging and riding and all of that sort of stuff, unfortunately has to take a little bit of a back step at times like that until we can get it to a stage where it is actually paying bills. Well, then that's a whole nother story, right? But we're all healthy, we're all safe, everyone's really good. I wanted to take a moment to thank all of you that have been so beautiful to send some amazing messages across. Just checking in, seeing if I'm okay, what's been happening. There's been so many of those messages come in. Very heartwarming, guys, I must tell you. I really appreciate that. It just shows you the community behind Fast and Curious. There's just, you guys are just great people. You're really just good people, and I really appreciate that. So thank you. Everyone's been good, everyone's well. And safe, and I hope you guys are the same. I hope your families are well. I hope you guys are keeping well. I hope you've been doing more riding than I've been doing. That's a big one. But coming into summer now, well, supposedly summer, but yeah, coming into summer, quite chilly for mid-October. But we'll be getting on the bike some more. We're going to be punching out some more videos, which I'm really excited about. It's just creating that time between business and some quiet time to be able to zip out or take a week off here or there to be able to do that. So in the meantime, I wanted to drop in, say g'day, and do all of that. What else has been happening? Dropped a bit of weight. That's what I've done. I've lost a bit of weight, which I'm really happy about. I feel much better. You get to, I guess, a point in your life where you sort of say, look, what's going on, where you at? And so yeah, just been watching what I'm eating, taking a bit of control and that stuff. Flip side to that is some of my motorcycle jackets are now a little bit large, but you know what? That's okay. Another shopping trip, as they say. But yeah, just looking after myself, keeping healthy for everybody else and for myself. Now, I just wanted to put together in this video, I did a bit of a, Fast and Curious is coming up to, it's about 2 years old now, the channel, without being exact, we're about 2 years old. And I wanted to do a little bit of a walk down memory lane. I thought it might be nice to do that. It's amazing what has been accomplished in that 2-year period. We've done a lot of tours, we've done a lot of one-off videos, and I just thought I'd put some of these videos together for you guys to, have a look at, enjoy, have a trip down memory lane yourselves. It was amazing putting this together. I had so much fun. It was quite emotional actually at some points for me. Being out on some of those rides and taking me back to those places, absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoy this snippet I put together. There will be more to come. I hope you guys are all well. I hope you're all safe. That's paramount. And I am here. I am all good. Drop the messages, keep them coming, please. I love chatting with you guys through that messaging, and there'll be more videos to come very soon. Okay? You keep well, and we're going to see you very shortly. Take care. Have you ever been here before, Jace?
Many years ago.
Have you?
Yeah. Many years. Actually, not this road. We've been to Threadbow and Perishna.
Yeah, fuck, mate, I've been to Los Angeles too. Like, what's that got to do with anything? One's on the toolbox, one's got the sign. Very few things that you could do in the world that just instantly connects people. Motorcycle riding is one of those. I'm proud to ride motorcycles, and I'm proud on behalf of everybody else. And I've met some awesome people motorcycle riding. I appreciate you supporting the channel. Forget about the reason, don't know
what you're doing. I try to catch the feelings. You make me smile. Just stay a while. This is life in the Badlands. This is life in the Badlands. I'm always making friends along the way. So pack your bags and let's leave for the day. Take your worries, make them go away. Turn the music up and let's escape. Let's escape. This is life in the Badlands. Forget about the reason. Don't know what you're doing. But try to catch the feelings. You make me smile. Just stay a while. This is life in the Badlands. This is life in the sunlight in my cell. I wonder if the crew all made it out. Throw dust into the wind. If I survive, I'll probably try again. Sometimes